A lot of people take multivitamins because they want to get the full spectrum of what they believe their body is deficient in, and that's a good thing to do. The problem with multivitamins is that the majority of them are either synthetically made, or if they're whole food made, depending on the shelf life of them, is very limited. So when you're looking for vitamins, minerals, and the nutrients that your body wants, of course, you would like to get them from live food as much as possible, meaning that you go to your garden and harvest a salad and eat it within 15 minutes. That's the very best. But when it comes to phytoplankton, the thing that was so exciting about the Oceans Alive is that it's able to be stabilized instantly, fresh, harvested, and it stays exactly that way until you consume it. And it contains every single nutritional molecule known to man. So in all historical data that has been researched over the years, you have marine phytoplankton has the broadest spectrum of the actual nutritional molecules that your body is looking for. So when it comes to vitamins and minerals, the entire spectrum is covered in Oceans Alive. So we recommend that people be very careful what they're consuming for multivitamins, because your body is trying to figure out these synthetics or even whole foods that are formulated. We believe that if you go back to nature and let it come the way it's created in its perfect blend of this spectrum of nutrients, that's where your body's going to get the most value. So your body understands, your brain understands these different nutritional spectrums when they come in their original form. They weren't formulated by man. They were an heirloom strain that was in the ocean, feeding the entire ocean as a functional foundational food. So when you put this in your body resonates with it very quickly, because your brain knows what to do with those nutritional molecules and send them throughout your body to replenish the areas where you're deficient. So yeah, this does replace multivitamins. It doesn't replace absolutely everything, but it replaces the multivitamin need, and your body is able to get what you need from these marine phytoplankton molecules. It's just a matter of how much you're using during the day, how busy you are, how much brain power you require, how much stress you're under requires more of these nutrients. And your body will tell you when you need it. When you go down a little bit, take some more, you come right back up again. So that's the marine phytoplankton benefit versus multivitamins.